Hello traders, welcome to FX Mentor US, and today you are very special if you are watching this video because today I am going to tell you that how I personally use the super trend indicator in the best way and the best settings that I am using in 2022. So this video is going to be very special, and this is especially for the beginners and also for the professional traders who are using the super trend indicator, but I am using in another way, so I am going to highlight today. Okay, so we will make this setup ready. I will tell you what are the settings that I have done with this indicator. I will tell you about each and every setting in this video. So please watch this because this is very important, that if you will skip, then you will not learn in a proper way. Okay, so you can see that I have attached two indicators on my screen and I have done different type of settings. So the first one indicator is here, and the second one that is at the top of the indicator, that is the super trend indicator that provide a signal in the form of red and green trend bars. Okay, so you can see that what I'm using a very special indicator that is telling me that when to exit and when to enter into the trade, actually, because you know there are a lot of signals but by the super trend, but you can see the settings that I am using does not contain a lot of signals. The signals are instead very less in number, but the signals are very accurate as well. Okay, so what is the benefit of using the second indicator that you can see below? So basically I take my on entry only when I have seen that it has break this purple. You can see there is a difference between the gap. There is a gap between the blue and the red lines. So once it get breaks, so for example, if we go back, okay, so here you can see that we have a proper break, that the market breaks this blue line, and then the super trend was turned into red color. Okay, so we will ignore the sell signal, and then once we will have a buy signal, we will simply go for the buy entry and keep on ignoring the red signals when you are above this purple line, the second indicator. When you're above the second indicator, keep on ignoring the bearish signals and keep on taking the bullish signals, as you can see on my screen. Let me show you what's going on gold. Okay, so on the gold the trend is a bit different, because if you look at here it has not break above, instead it has break the red line of the second indicator. And now you must be careful about one thing: keep on selling gold and keep on avoiding the bullish signals given by the super trend. Okay, I will also tell you which setting I am using. Okay, so if I go to the setting tabs of the super trend, so basically this is the simple super trend that I am using. So if I go to the settings, then you will have to change the ATR length to 20 and the factor into the 5. Okay, and the second indicator that I am using is the let me show you here, high and low optimized trend tracker HOTT by Kivans Osbejelic. Okay, so this indicator is working like a charm for me because this is very good, and when the trend will get changed, you will come to know. So for example, let's have a look on Euro USD. So you can see at the lower side we have received a buy signal from the super trend, but we are not interested. We will be interested by getting into the buy position from here. So let me calculate the risk and reward ratio, because here the candle was closed above the blue line, and now we should be targeting something like at least the 2 ratio on this trade. Okay, so this is the way you can take your personal trades, because it is a clear sign that the trend has get changed. Okay, let's have a look on USD JPY. You will love this picture because you can see the HOT double indicator was break by the super trend, and the super trend give you the buy signal, and now you can see how long this buy signal is already running. Okay, now look at USD CAD. The sell signal was appeared here. We are not interested. Now this is the time, this was the good time to enter into the sell, because it entered into the red line, it breaks the red line, and that's the perfect the trend to go into. So guys, this is the best trading setup that is almost 95% accurate, and I have shown you its live signals. Look at AUD JPY, break the blue level, then the super trend keeps on green. You can see that it's all about the combination that I am using. Go for this combination and book your profits for your family and your trading. Okay, so and one last thing that I will say: if you are having problems with your broker, then you can join the best broker that I use. It also supports the crypto, and it also supports the forex. So the link is given in the description of this video. So guys, what are your thoughts about this indicator setup? Please let me know into the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video, and make sure that you must subscribe FX Mentor US. Thank you for watching.